10 mysterious places on Earth that science can't explain. Welcome to FactBuzz, the place for strange and amazing facts. Imagine a place so secret, no one is allowed to enter, where time stands still, strange phenomena happen, and mysteries linger in every corner. These are the 10 most mysterious places on Earth that science still can't fully explain. 1. North Sentinel Island, India. In the Bay of Bengal lies an island untouched by time. The Sentinelese tribe has violently rejected all contact with the outside world. To this day, no one knows their language, religion, or way of life, and perhaps we never will. 2. Area 51, United States. Officially a military base, but surrounded by decades of conspiracy theories. From alien sightings to secret aircraft, Area 51 remains one of the world's most classified locations. 3. Mount Kailash, Tibet. Despite being far lower than Everest, no one has ever reached the top. Local legends say the mountain holds cosmic power, and that time moves differently there. A sacred mystery still unsolved. 4. Chernobyl Exclusion Zone, Ukraine. After the 1986 nuclear disaster, the entire area became uninhabitable. Yet today, strange mutations and eerie sounds are reported by researchers who venture in. 5. Snake Island, Brazil. This island is home to one of the deadliest snakes in the world, the golden lancehead. With thousands of them crawling everywhere, even the Brazilian Navy forbids landing here. 6. Poveglia Island, Italy. Used as a plague quarantine center and later a mental asylum, the island is now abandoned. Locals believe it's haunted by thousands of tormented souls. 7. Mezhgori, Russia. A restricted town that doesn't appear on most maps. What lies inside? Nuclear weapons? Secret experiments? The Russian government won't say. 8. Vatican Secret Archives, Vatican City. Home to over 50 miles of shelves holding the most guarded documents in human history. What ancient knowledge is hidden behind those locked doors? 9. Lascaux Caves, France. These prehistoric caves contain paintings over 17,000 years old. They're now closed to the public to protect them, but many of the symbols found remain undeciphered. 10. SS Orang Medan, Strait of Malacca. A ghost ship discovered adrift with its entire crew dead, their faces frozen in horror. The ship then vanished, only to reappear years later, still shrouded in fog and mystery. Not every question has an answer, and not every mystery can be solved. Which of these places gave you chills? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mysterious content from around the world.